Okay, I'm back. I am back. So sorry for that. That was crazy. It did its thing, how it just decides to go off. Very, very unfortunate. We did not like that. We do not like that at all. We don't want that to happen. So, because of that, I'm gonna try and do that test test thingy. What did you say? What did you say? I don't remember the name of the app. Hello, you look loves Prem. I'll call you Prem. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Sorry. I'm trying to troubleshoot what is going on because it just went off while I was doing Fortnite a few minutes ago. Just on its own. In fact, it was not even. We were just beginning the second fight. What's the name of the software that does that test? I don't remember. I do not remember. How do I check programs? Not recent. How do I check programs? Okay, let's Google. Let's Google. How to check. Oh, yeah, Afterburner. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Noble. MSI. My MSI Afterburner. MSI Afterburner. So I just put it up and then I switch on Fortnite. Okay. So Epic Games, and we wait for the stream to end because interesting. I was streaming for, let's say, I did 45 minutes first, and I was just on browser and the normal stream. 45 minutes, no hitch, no hiccup, nothing. Everything was good. We were proceeding and progressing well. But just a few minutes into the Fortnite game, that ended up happening. Let me reload this page. Fortnite. Um, Damn, how did I make this? How did I make what? Loves Prem? How did I make what, Prem? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? The TikTok live chat thingy is giving us a temperature of 48 for the GPU, but well, we're trying to look at CPU, right? That's what we're going for. Let's check the temperature of the CPU. Where is it? I don't know what temperature it's giving though. It's just saying temperature. Are you streaming on any other platform? Yes, I'm streaming on YouTube and Twitch and TikTok. But then the TikTok chat, I have not managed to integrate it there. I've put it as a different one. I used a different thing. This interface, the interface of the character, like the 3D model or the overlays. Interface of the character. What does interface of the character mean? I think you mean the overlays. The overlays are from Streamlabs. The character is from Finra. She's the one who made it. Okay, so we have GPU, memory, the MSI thingy. GPU, memory, volt, temperature. How do I? Maybe I do like a display capture. I think the display capture will get that. Where is it? Wait, before I do the display capture, we need our music. Let me put our music in the background. Top overlays. The overlays is thank you. The overlays are from Streamlabs. Totally free, by the way. Totally free. You can also get it. That is wrong. Where is it? I'm trying to look for the display capture. Okay, display capture. Oh, I was at display capture the whole time. Yeah, I'm at display capture. But why is it not showing the afterburner? Oh, afterburner cannot be seen. Oh, yeah. Can you see it? Can you see the afterburner? Yeah, you can. You can. So, what exactly am I looking at? Uh-huh. Because, I don't know. There's, there's this, this one. And then there's the volt, and then there's the memory, and then there's the GPU. Glitchy, did you ever try flow edits? Yes, I have. I've done some flow edits. One of them being what do you call it? There's one that I'm working on using the I'm So Lonely audio. It's I think that that can actually fit in mostly the flow style because with the flow we look at the clips, the actual clips that are there, and the motion in the clip, and then we're trying to be able to move from one clip to the other in a way that follows this movement. So yes, I have tried that. I think it's a very interesting thing to look at. Welcome. Trying to figure out what is going on or what the issue is because I was playing Fortnite just now, and CPU went off. It just went off completely. So I think the problem could be overheating. That's what has been suggested. And I don't know if it's this one that I'm supposed to be looking at. Okay, let's just try put up a game, play something, and then we see if that goes up. I think that's the one. Wait, Fortnite. Wait, so is there a way to put it in a way that can I lock it? Oh yeah, just put it there. You should make a tutorial on flow edit. It's very popular. Right? Yeah, actually, I was. Let me write that down. Let me put it down. It's a very nice suggestion. Flow edit. I'm thinking of doing like a long form for that narration long form that includes the basics of what flow is and what actually builds up flow, just like wordy, talky stuff. I think that is can help people get like understand a bit of flow, and then after that maybe we can do some tutorials. Sorry about that. Some tutorials depending on what people prefer. But that's a very good idea. Thank you so much for that suggestion. So putting that up and seeing, but this is checking. It's giving the temperature of the GPU. I thought I was trying to look at the temperature of the. Maybe I should increase the fan speed. Can I increase the fan speed? Allows control of master GPU to be automatic. When GPU settings, did you see any furries edit? Furry as in an editor, the name of an editor? Do you mean the name of an editor or the name of the characters? User define. Okay, I don't know what this is. Detach. Settings. Overclocking scanner. Because it might go off. The stream might go off. Just like a heads up, just in case you suddenly just see it disconnecting. But we're going to try that out. But it looks like the temperature they're giving us here is the GPU. Far is the name of an editor. No, I have not seen a Faris edit. Does it specialize in? Since you mentioned it while you were talking about flow, does it do flow edits? Perhaps, maybe it does flow edits. I'll have to check it out. So let's also write that down before I land. Faris. It's interesting. I have never come across the editor Faris. Style is very popular and should watch it. I definitely will. I've been trying to look for editors to look at, because if the ones who are dominating the editing environment were the likes of Molob and Xenos. Those are the ones who are dominating. But I would prefer to see, what is a shrub bomb? I just dump a shrub to somebody, or yeah. So those are the ones that I noticed were Oops, I thought it was an NPC. We got them. It's nice to see other types of editors going in. That's a good thing. I prefer other editors. Okay, not like hate, not hate to Xenos and the like. I know you guys are like great editors and stuff, but we need to see more people. Do you prefer the flow style edits? Oh no. Oh, that took me by surprise. I just fell down. How do I activate this again? I thought I just... Oh, I don't want it then. You don't want me to go through? Pick that up. There are people fighting. I really need to go to that fight. No. Please let me go. Is this thing not working today? I think it's not working. What? I think my game is bugged. Even the teleport thing is not working. You don't want to turn on the game sound? The game sound is on. Let me see. Maybe it's a bit low. Gameplay. There. Is that better? Oh, did I close it? I forgot I was on display capture. I forgot I was on display capture. I was wondering how comes. What happened? Ugh. Come on. Wait. It's not working. Game capture is not working. Let's re-add it. Let us re-add it. Let us re-add it. No, no, why are you apologizing? No worries. You're okay. You're okay. What is the name? What was I looking for again? Game capture. Game capture. Game. Letter G. Game capture. Found it. Okay. Add existing game capture. Where is it? Properties. Okay, let's do Epic Games first and then Fortnite. Okay, it's not working, bro. Bro, somebody's gonna kill me. Okay, that's not working. So what we do, we continue playing with display capture. Does no harm. Okay, how is that? I hope that is okay now. Okay, this thing is not working for me. There. That should mean that it works, right? How comes? What's up? What's happening? I don't know. I don't know why. I think I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck, bro. Oh, okay. Let's join the fight. There's a fight somewhere. Where are you guys fighting? Oh no. Oh no. That's a death zone. Missed all the shots. Don't look at me. Ooh. Ooh, 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 there's someone else shooting me. Behind me.